Okay, guys, third bad video of the day. Let's do this in threes. So I posted a video about an hour ago. I since made it private because I think there was some information in there that people just were not getting what I was saying. So we'll try this one more time. So anyhow, lots of very reputable bloggers have been posting the date of June the 29th saying this is going to be done. But I think, because I've actually read it a couple different places, and even I was confused. And I will link two stories from Coupons in the News, which is the coupon blog, about the particulars of this, because I think with the changes to a company like coupons.com, there's a lot of moving parts. This isn't, you just turn off the button one day or press the red button and that's it. I think there's a lot more parts to this. And if they close in the end of June, if they close the middle of July, if they close December the 31st, the date has not been released. It's very vague. And the date that they gave of the 29th or 30th is for bloggers. The links you cannot post anymore, where I would make a video and say, oh, to get the Lysol coupon, hit the link in the notes to support my channel. I've never even had that with Quotient, but I think that is the date that that's going to be removed. But to go to the website and print, it still might be there. But the news is, if you read the second deck of this, is that the site will be replaced by something else called Shopimum. So it's going to be another app. And who knows when that's exactly going to take place. But I don't think they just turn a switch on and off. And they're saying, and it's written all over the place, it's so vague for any details. But if you are a blogger who was using coupons.com, your links that you can use to, say to people like, go to this link, and then you would get paid a couple pennies per print, that's done. But other people are saying also that that's the date that this is going to be lights out. So I don't know, and I don't want to confuse you guys, but this is what I know. If you are an avid printer of coupons.com, it might be end of the month, it might be in 3 months, it might be the end of the year. So I'm going to link both of these stories in the notes if you wish to read them. I'm so sorry this is confusing. I thought it was a little bit more black and white. But upon reading 5 other articles, I'm like, you know what? I'm not sure. And I'm not going to be misleading and just have some clickbaity title. It is an end of an era. And this site will be changing into what at this time we don't know. But even reading some of the comments, most of you guys do 100% digital deals, or you shop somewhere else where it's really easy to do like digital deals such as Dollar General or Walgreens, where you don't have to depend on internet printables. My story of internet printables and usage, in the last month at the Dollar General clearance event, multiple stores said they would not take an internet printable, and they just showed me a policy. They were very, very nice. They weren't rude or anything like that, but they wouldn't take it. So the fact that this is going to go completely by Wednesday or by, December the 31st, you pick the date. It's not really going to matter because I have a very difficult time using any sort of internet printable, and that's just my experience. So sorry about the confusion, and if this is your first video that you're watching, hopefully it makes a bit more sense. If you would like to read every little detail on this, I will again link the stories in the notes. And it is so non-specific and vague because I think this is such a big, it's not just one little thing where they can just do this. This is like a lot of people's jobs, a very large company. And if they're doing a transfer to something else, how will that work? We don't know. But the date of the 29th has been reported on so many different sites, and people are saying stuff. I was even sent 2 different DMs on Instagram. So I'm sorry about the confusion. The site might be up and running all week, all month, right up till the 31st of December. But there is a grumble out there that they are really pushing that you use the app and not the website to print out the physical coupons. Okay, that's it for the video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.